Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the download location in your Firefox browser. I'm talking that default download location because when you normally download files, it will go by default, it goes to your download folder. But you can easily change this to put your files somewhere of your choice. So what you want to do inside your Firefox browser, click the three lines on the upper right hand side, right? And then you want to click on settings. Now from here, guys, you want to scroll all the way down, right? So go ahead and scroll all the way down to where you will find the section that says files and application. Now, as you can see here, it says save files to, and it has downloads. But if you click the browse button here, you can easily change this to wherever you want. So for example, I have this Chrome download folder here, right? It says Chrome download, but I'm going to simply change this to, let's say, Firefox, right? So let's say this is my Firefox new download location that I want all my files to go to. I can simply click on that and then click select folder, right? If you want to create new folders for yourself, you can simply use this create button here, and this is going to allow you to create new folders, and you can simply use that of your choice as well. So I'm going to select this first folder here, then click select folder, and as you can see, the file path has now changed to that new path. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.